Here is the Nikon Coolpix L26 overall conditions. So yeah, the battery cap here a little bit like cracked or something. So when you need to like open the battery compartment, so you need to like pull here up and push it up, then only you can take it up. It's using two AA battery, which you can easily find on any convenience store. Then here is the memory card. Here got a symbol at there, so you just like fit it the same way. Press it inside, then press it and push it in. Will do. Here's the power button. Press it. This one you can adjust the time by yourself lah. Okay, click here. So easy auto mode is like a fully auto lah, which you cannot like, you only can adjust the image mode to see whether you want high resolution or low resolution, and the white balance will be adjusted by the camera. Okay, then this one is like a different kind of mode you can select by yourself: smart portrait and auto mode. Well, for this auto mode you can adjust more, like the white balance, color option, vivid, black and white, sepia, cyanotype. Yeah, vivid it will be like more saturated lah. Then standard is just normal. Then about the white balance, you can adjust by yourself whether you want like warm tone, cold tone, or any. Yeah, you can adjust by also preset, or you want fully auto will do also can. Then okay, so every time you want to shoot, you just half press, shoot it. Okay, about the flash, you can adjust by whether you want auto, force flash. This one is auto with red eye reduction, or flash, fill in flash, and the slow scene, which will have a slow shutter speed lah. Yeah. Then here is the zoom at here. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Like this it will trigger. Then here is the recording mode. After you press it, you wait for a while. Yeah. Now it starts recording already. Then when you want to stop it, press it again. Yeah, then it will stop. Then it will become like shooting mode again. Then if you want to adjust the timer, click here to on it or off it. Then this one is the macro mode at here, and the flash mode. Then this one is the composition. If you switch up like this, it will be more bright for the outcome. Like this will be more dark. Then overall it's like this, and if you want to look back to what you have shot, click this button. Yeah, then press OK to play. Okay, here is the photo that I shot just now. Then if you want to delete, delete will be just click this button will do. Then here you can like either you want like print or something, or you want like reset or format the SD card also can. Yeah. Then here the language, video mode you can adjust by yourself. Format this card. So overall it's like this. And when you shoot finish, you can buy a card reader for your phone, so that you can just like take out this SD card, mesh with a card reader like this, and just insert into your phone will do. Yep. See whether you use using like the lightning cable or the Type-C. Then you can get your outcome at the folder side.